Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner. This is what last week's looks like. It's slightly incomplete because it is Friday, so I haven't filled in most of Friday or Saturday and Sunday yet, and it is actually what, like 4:30, and I haven't actually touched my journal for Friday yet. All right. But if you guys stay tuned later on this week, I will be posting a vlog for how I filled this in and how I decorated my journaling spreads as well. So for this week, Valentine's week, even though my husband and I are doing our Valentine's date on Saturday, but that's another story, I will be decorating using the Juliet deco and supplemental sheets from Let's Plan It. I'm going to add in some khaki alcohol ink and maybe some of these star clusters from Create with Mandy. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is, I don't know, use this washi because this is like an exact match for that. It's amazing. I'm going to put some washi up at the top, and this washi tape is from the washi tape shop. I'm not a big fan of washi tapes like this. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm lazy and this extra step of having to actually peel it is not appealing to me. There. And then placing that down here and doing the same for the other side. I mean, although saying that, there is something to be said about being able to like measure out your washi and then not be afraid of sticking it down in the wrong place or having it be the wrong length, but there's still, this is annoying. Place that down here. I'm forgetting something. Ah, my pencil boards. Okay, so place the pencil boards underneath for a smoother writing experience. Okay. So then I'm going to, what's the other sheet here? I'm going to take one of these alcohol inks, place them just down in the corner. The thing with this is that it's very, can't really, I know I've got hair under the sticker. Can't see too much of it, but that's okay. No, I feel like those colors are too closely related. I need something that contrasts with it a little bit more. I don't want to use the broken heart. I don't have a broken heart. My last Valentine's Day, the last single Valentine's Day I had was the one right before my husband and I got together. Although we had met already at this point, but we weren't dating yet. Anyway, I don't know. Let's do coffee. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I like that sticker. That's cute. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the sidebar here with my sleep and my workout tracker. And hopefully next week I can actually properly work out. And the Tombow dual brush pen that I'll be using this week is 942. I believe it is. So on the side here is where I keep track of my sleep score. And using my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, and it's a really easy graph. Don't always post the pen because I think, again, I'm lazy. So just the hours of 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. Although it's very rare to get, for me, to get less than 4 hours of sleep. You do not want to see me with less than 4 hours of sleep. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what I do is actually graph my actual sleep time or how long I slept for, and then the sleep score on top of that. And then underneath, ooh, let's not smudge things already, Karina. Underneath will be my workout. So I'm hoping that I can, well, I am well enough to finally get back into doing lift 4 through Beachbody. I've taken a few weeks off due to sickness. So I'm like, what did I leave off on? Week 3. Oops. So Monday, week 3, day 1, which is always chest and triceps. I will definitely take it easy. I will probably modify some of the HIIT workouts, but it'll be nice to get back into strength training. And I don't know if I said this, but the pen that I am using is my Sailor Pro Gear in the white rose gold. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. And the ink that I'm using is Sailor Manyo Kuzu, which is a sample I got from, I think, Goulet Pens. I can't remember. But I love the color. It matches so well with that. All right, so, and I couldn't find a Tombow dual brush pen that matched it exactly. So I'm debating using these strips of washi down here at the bottom for the meals, because I also want to save a lot of this for the journaling spreads. But maybe what I think I'm going to do is take some of these like little hearts and place them up at the top, just to add a little bit of decoration. I like this one. And then a few of these. Yeah, just a little decoration at the top I think makes a huge difference. And I believe I have weekend stickers that I can put. Yeah, I do. And these are from Let's Planet as well. Weekend. Cute. That was totally not in frame. Oh my god, sorry guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here then and start filling out my day-to-day schedule. So this is tough because I have a meeting at 8:30 and I don't normally have a meeting at 8:30, so I'm wondering, you know, I'll probably get off work early that day. Because normally I work 10 to 6. And then using my Sailor Pro Gear, my lovely, lovely fountain pen, I will then draw in the lines. Don't use a ruler because I've made more messes using rulers than not. So my arrows are never going to be perfectly straight. That's okay. So then I'm going to go in with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, if I can find it, and then just write in work. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm just going to go in and add things that I need to do on a day-to-day basis. So Mondays are generally garbage day. Or, wow, no they're not. I'm going to take one of these little stickers here and just put that right there. And I'm going to take one of my to-do script stickers. Oh my god, that fits perfectly. And then just write in that I have to meal plan and order groceries. I love ordering groceries and then just collecting them. Something that I got so used to when we were living in England. And then on Tuesday evening is when my husband takes out the garbages, and I think I'm gonna actually start using some emojis here because emojis are fun. I mean, like, come on, how cute are those? Although they're getting into the big ones, I need smaller ones. There we go. And place it there. And using the Tombow Fudenosuke. I feel like there's something important that I'm missing on the Wednesday. But no, I don't think so. Okay. And then Thursday is when my husband picks up the groceries. So he's this cute little emoji here. And yeah, I've noticed that, like, with my changing work schedule, we've had to change a lot of things. I used to be able to pick up groceries on a Friday morning. because I didn't work Fridays. But now with my schedule being Monday through Friday, we've had to change a lot of like our regular chores. Then on the Friday, I know what I have to do on Friday. I am donating blood on Friday. So, do I want to do a heartbroken sticker? No. We will do just a heart sticker actually. And the appointment is at, I believe it's 6:50. Let me confirm. Appointment is at 6:30. So I put that heart sticker right in the proper place. 6:30, donate blood. Oh, now that I'm writing it with this pen and this ink. Ugh. Okay. Then going to Saturday, I'm wondering if I want to use just the icons for this or if I want to do anything else. Now I remember what I'm doing on this Saturday. Okay, firstly is Henry's archery. So let's get just an icon. And his archery is from 8:30 to 10. Where is my pen? This is what happens. You guys don't see the mess behind the scenes here. And then something super, super special. I am meeting my friend Adrian for brunch. And we're going to Stylus after. So how am I going to put that down? Here we go. Coffee date sticker. And I'm going to, let's do that. I don't know how I want to do this. Do I want to do it like this? No. Because I feel like this sticker's really big. Alright, so brunch and Stylus with Adrian. Very exciting. It just feels really squished. I don't like how I wrote that, but I'll make do. Okay. Can't always be absolutely perfect. Then we don't really have any other plans on this Saturday. It will be me folding laundry as per usual. So glam. So I'll use these cute little paper bits. Oh, I know what else I have to do. So I'm going to put the laundry sticker down after I do filming. So put this down. And I have a couple of videos to film here. Then I can put down that I have to fold laundry. And then Sunday is our cleaning day. So that's when I just take one of the, normally it's a Cleaning Ninja sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. and place that down. Why did I pick a blue one? Oh well. And then cleaning is the usual. Then after the cleaning, I am meeting my friend Kim for coffee. I haven't picked out a time, so put that here. That's cute. And because these stickers are really difficult to write on with fountain pen, I'm using my Uniball Signo for this. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to do is at the bottom of the spread here, I am going to use my Tombow Duo brush pen to highlight the header for meals and then write in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm going to add a tiny little bit of decoration here. So maybe one of these ones with maybe a glass of wine for, you know, why not? put that down first, Karina. It's like I can't multitask today. Okay, perfect. Oh, I love that. I think that's really cute. And maybe another one of these. Why not? Just a little cluster down there to kind of balance everything out. All right, but that is it for me. It is very simple. This is, I almost say this is my before the pen, even though there is already a pen in it, but this is basically all the things that I can pre-plan and put in here. And then as the week goes, I can fill it in as needed. But I do love the look. I kind of wish that I had used different washi now. Maybe like, I don't know, some of these, but I also want to use a lot of these for my journaling spreads. So, but otherwise I do like the look of it. I like the little decorations here. I feel like now that I can add, maybe I should add actually some to the top. I don't know, just to add a little bit more red up there. I don't know. I think though, as the week goes on and I fill it in with more of this Sailor Manyo Kuzu ink that's in here, I think it's just gonna all come together. But I think that's also part of the fun of this spread, is to see how it comes together before and after. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.